Greetings and welcome to the Tarry Homestead. So, y'all, look at this. Y'all see this? What does this look like to you? Does it look like wheat? Because it is. My daughter pulled it up. She pulled it up out of the ground. It wasn't even ready yet, but it definitely had a lot of kernels on it, y'all. And how was I growing this, you might ask? Well, I'll give you a glimpse. So, we feed our sheep sweet cob, right? And so a lot of it fell on the ground inside the kennel. And so that's where it was growing. It was growing inside of their little kennel here in the inside. And my daughter went and pulled it up. She said there's still some in there, but not like what she pulled up, y'all. I would have had wheat growing. This would have went ahead and finished the process of growing. It would have got all yellow, and then I would have noticed it, and then I would have pulled it up. Man, look at that, y'all. There was a lot on here. There was a whole lot on here. I'm sad.